Hey guys, this is Adil Roman. I'm gonna be making a scooter tutorial video on a tail whip. So first, well, obviously you're gonna need to be able to bunny hop, and a bunny hop probably. For first time tail whips, you should probably be able to bunny hop. Well, actually, yeah, about that. How about I show you a tail whip? Yeah, that's a tail whip. For your first, okay, so yeah, you got the bunny hops. Now, the next thing you probably should practice is getting used to spinning like your handlebars, because that's like a really big thing. You gotta be able to, and to do that, you're basically moving your hands like this, kind of like that, and then so yeah, and you wanna, well, I ride Goofy, which is this way, and so I would kick out towards my heel, like to my back, and then catch it with the front of my foot. And you should probably get good at when you spin, catch it, and then land, because when you start doing doubles and triples or tail or bar to whip, then you're gonna need to be able to catch it so you can do the next trick and then land. And if you're regular, you're going that way, and if you're ski, whichever feels comfortable to you, you go that way. So say you feel like going that way, then you just hit it with the middle, like right there on your foot, and just flick it out, and then that. Here, I'll show you another one. One more. Yeah. And whips, tail whips, they're really good because you can turn them into different tricks, like a 180 tail whip, or 360 tail whip, or a buttercup. Like, here, I'll show you a 180 tail whip. I'm not the best at them, but yeah. So basically, just remember, spin your handlebars, and your neck will spin really fast, and then give it a nice good flick and a fairly high bunny hop. Yep. See ya.